Coffee, tea or me?
You.
Woo!
Then coffee with you.
Woo! Hi, I'm Pranay, you're watching What's Trending India, and today we have a very special guest with us. She's gorgeous, she's sexy, but she needs no introduction. You know who she is? Poonam Pandey.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm all good.
Having a good time?
Yes.
Are you happy to be on this show?
Yes, very much.
Okay, that's good to know. So just like me, a lot of our viewers would want to know tips on how to woo Poonam Pandey.
Okay, I would say just kiss me and I will take care of the rest.
What do you look for in a man? What impresses you the most about a man?
His sense of humor.
Okay.
Yeah. Good looks is sabhi ke paas hote hain
सबके
mere
पास
dost.
So I would want to know what you find sexy and what you don't. Okay. So what do you think about glitter beards? There's an ongoing trend right nowadays that, you know, men, they glitter their beards.
Honestly, I mean, you be as simple and you look very sexy.
Or what about chest hair?
Oh. No ways. No ways. Do you like chest hair?
I don't get any actually. Men with abs or no abs at all?
No abs.
No abs at all?
Nah.
You don't like the six-pack
Nah,
or eight-pack?
nah,
You think it's all fake? Or
All fake.
all fake? Men with long hair or short hair?
Short hair. You look very sexy. by
Thank
the
you,
way.
thank you.
Yes, you do. I'm sorry, I'm not flirting with you. Okay?
No, but yeah, it's flattering. Thank you so much. What about men with piercings and tattoos? What do you think about that?
I mean, honestly, ये जितने भी सवाल, men with bloody abs and bloody piercing and tattoos, I just hate all these things. अभी आपने क्या पहन रखा है? Tell me, what are you wearing? See, you're looking so simple. I totally see he's so simple. कितने अच्छे लग रहे हैं, देखो. कोई किधर कोई piercing है, कोई tattoos, कुछ नहीं है. So that's what you need to be like, you know.
What's Poonam's idea of a perfect date?
Perfect dates.
Yeah.
See, candlelight dinners and this, everything, it's boring. So,
Too cliched.
yeah. Maybe in the bedroom, who knows?
Poonam Pandey single or is she dating someone?
No, I'm single right now. All ready to mingle.
So moving on to our next segment, kiss, marry or kill.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Salman Khan, Hrithik Roshan and Shah Rukh Khan. Tough.
All kiss.
All kiss?
Yeah.
No marry?
Yeah, all married too.
All kiss, all marry?
Yeah.
No kill.
No. Nahi,
Okay.
they all are cute.
What about Narendra Modi? KRK?
ये बंद करते हैं ना.
No.
यार तुम लोग ऐसे सवाल
ऐसा
मरवाओगे
कुछ
यार.
नहीं होगा, ऐसा
I
कुछ
mean,
नहीं होगा.
कहाँ मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी और आप kiss, marry, kill, please. I'm not the part. Hello. Very close.
So all of us know Poonam Pandey, the diva, the celebrity. But who really is Poonam Pandey? How do you define yourself?
Well, honestly, it's not कि मैं यहाँ से change हो के कोई अलग group में आ जाती हूँ. Of course, what I am, this is what I am. Whatever I do, it's purely business. Can anybody believe I love cooking? Nobody will believe that.
Apart from being a brilliant cook, what else is Poonam Pandey good at?
I'm good at everything. Try me.